video, I'll be showing you an activity which you can use to introduce students to the concepts of static electricity and electric forces. Students will learn about the forces behind the static shocks that they get if they rub their feet on carpet. The activity will be an interactive demonstration and will involve examining the electric force between two balloons, which have been given a static charge. For this activity, you will need two balloons, a wool cloth, some string, and something to hang the balloons from. We're using a freestanding frame, but you could just as easily tape the balloons to a table, a door frame, or even the ceiling. It may be a good idea to set up the equipment before the lesson. Once you have inflated the balloons, hang them a reasonable distance apart like this, but make sure that they can reach each other easily. At this point, you will need your wool cloth. Ask two students to help out with this next step. Each student will need to rub the balloon with the woolen cloth like this. If you don't have a wool cloth, students can just use their uniforms. Once the two balloons have been charged up, ask the students to move the balloons together slowly. Use the strings to move the balloons. Ask the students what they observe and if anyone can explain their observations. Explain to the students that when the wool is rubbed on the balloon, electrons are transferred from the wool to the balloon, giving the balloon a negative charge. And as we all know, like charges repel. Ask the students what they think will happen if another student touches the balloons. Ask two students to come up and touch the balloons like this. Then ask the students to move the balloons close to each other again. They should repel each other much less than they did before. This is because some of the charge has transferred to the students, leaving less behind on the balloons. More details about how static charges behave can be found in the lesson planning materials.